Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Survivor.io account. So let's get started without further ado. Launch OpenU Survivor.io application on your iPhone or any other devices and make sure that you're inside the game. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left-hand corner. In the pop-up, tap on Settings. Under the Settings menu, go to the Language tab and tap on the default language that is displayed right next to the language option. By default, the app's language is chosen in English. If you want to change to any other, go ahead and scroll through the menu of choices and then select one of the language you'd like to change to. Soon after you do that, you should be able to see your language change. You can now get back to the main game, and you should be able to see that you have a different language settings for the game available to you. That is how you can easily change language setting on Survivor.io account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.